Technology is here to stay. Most of you are probably watching this on a mobile device that has more computing power than some of the world's earliest computers. As technology has evolved along with its capacity to complete tasks, several industries have emerged and exploded as a result. This inception creates in this video. We'll explore 15 of the fastest growing industries of the future. We'll briefly describe each industry and tell you how huge they're projected to become according to some reputable research companies. Here at Tech Titans, we cover all things tech, so if you've got a topic you'd like us to cover, share it with us in the comments. The topic with the most likes will be covered the soonest. Let's get started. Number 1. Renewable energy. Renewable energy is energy derived from a non-depletable source. Solar, wind, biomass, and hydroelectricity are some examples. The global renewable energy market will grow from $928 billion in 2017 to $1.5 trillion by 2025, according to Allied Market Research. Number 2. The Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, IoT, refers to a network of physical objects or things that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies in order to connect and exchange data with other devices and systems via the Internet. Smart homes are an excellent example of how air conditioning and security systems can be linked. These devices can be controlled remotely or automatically for certain functions. According to Grand View Research, the industrial Internet of Things market will grow from $264 billion in 2021 to $1.1 trillion in 2028. Furthermore, the Internet of Things retail market is expected to grow from $36 billion in 2021 to $182 billion in 2028. Number 3. E-learning. By far the fastest growing industry of the future is e-learning. Online learning makes it easier than ever to learn about any subject from experienced professionals, online learning marketplaces, and educational institutions worldwide. The total e-learning market was valued at more than $250 billion in 2020 and is expected to reach $1 trillion by 2027. Number 4. Artificial intelligence or AI. Over the next few years, artificial intelligence and machine learning will have an impact on every industry. They essentially aid in the automation of decision-making and problem-solving in specific situations. The market for artificial intelligence will increase from $94 billion in 2021 to $998 billion in 2028. Number 5. Cloud computing. Cloud computing enables businesses to process data, store data, automate decision-making, reduce IT costs, and eliminate the need for hardware purchases and maintenance. The global cloud computing market is expected to increase from $266 billion in 2020 to $766 billion by 2027. Number 6. Drones. Drones vary in size and shape depending on their function, usability, and cost. The global commercial drone market is expected to increase from $21 billion in 2021 to $501 billion by 2028. Number 7. Blockchain technology. Despite the fact that blockchain technology was born with Bitcoin, it has far-reaching applications outside of cryptocurrency. Blockchain is essentially a shared database that allows multiple parties to access and verify data in real time. Blockchain technology will have a significant impact on industries such as healthcare, real estate, finance, and entertainment. The global blockchain technology market is expected to increase from $6 billion in 2021 to $395 billion in 2028. Number 8. Cybersecurity. With the increased use of the Internet for a wide range of business functions, the demand for sensitive information protection is greater than ever. The global cybersecurity market is expected to increase from $180 billion in 2021 to $372 billion by 2028. Number 9. Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is concerned with the construction of materials at the atomic and molecular levels. Nanotechnology has the potential to transform the medical, aerospace, body armor, solar panel, and food industries. In 2025, the global nanomedicine market will be worth $351 billion. However, the global nanomaterials market is still in its infancy, expected to grow from $10 billion in 2021 to $23 billion in 2027. Number 10. Augmented reality. Augmented reality is an experience in which designers augment parts of the physical world of users with computer-generated input. The majority of these experiences will be provided by smartphones, smart glasses, and other handheld and wearable devices. The manufacturing, healthcare, and education industries are expected to benefit the most from augmented reality. The market for augmented reality is expected to grow from $27 billion in 2021 to $340 billion in 2028. Number 11. Robotics. Robots are widely used in the automobile industry and other industries' manufacturing processes. It is also increasingly being used in the healthcare industry to perform surgery. The global robotics market will grow from $132 billion in 2021 to $209 billion in 2025, according to Statista. Number 12. Virtual reality. Virtual reality, as you may be aware, simulates realistic situations. Gaming, social networking, education, and on-the-job training are examples of real-world applications. The global virtual reality market is expected to increase from $22 billion in 2021 to $67 billion in 2028. Number 13. 3D printing. 3D printing is the process of creating a three-dimensional object from a digital three-dimensional model. 3D printing is expected to have an impact on the majority of manufacturing industries. The global 3D printing market is expected to increase from $17 billion in 2021 to $63 billion in 2028. Number 14. Genomics. Genomics is a branch of biology that focuses on the structure, function, evolution, mapping, and editing of genomes. A genome is an organism's entire set of DNA, which includes all of its genes. The most common use of genomics is to better understand and treat diseases. The global genomics market is expected to increase from $24 billion in 2021 to $63 billion in 2028. Number 15. Data science. All organizations generate huge amounts of data in the form of documents, text, audio, video, images, and so forth. Data science involves using prediction algorithms to help those organizations make better decisions faster. And more companies are buying data science software and platforms to automate all of this. The global data science platform market will grow from $5 billion in 2020 to $26 billion in 2027.